website. Drought, no more water. And look at that irrigation mess. This is the next day. It is 7:45 in the morning and the irrigation is on again. Yesterday was 4. Look at all the water in the road. Thought we were in a drought. Look at all this excess water. And how long do you need the irrigation on for? This is 40 minutes later. Still going. Look at all that water in a drought. It's like for you and me, the average person, don't use your irrigation. Just let everything go. Are you growing food? Selfish. How dare you water that? But we're a huge developer that has developed, 2,500 acres while we just bulldoze everything around here. And we're gonna let our irrigation just run right in the middle of the street at 4 in the afternoon. On a day where it downpoured so hard this morning, it's insane. So I'm in Manatee County. I'm not gonna say where that one is, but we're basically off 75th and Cortez. So you can do your research on where that one was. But is there gonna be any fines, anything happening there? And that was like the center circle. So whether it's developer or the county, interesting. Now, I'm not saying that if you put in something, it doesn't need water. The problem is who determines who gets to put the water in. I didn't think that we'd be back here for day 2 and I was gonna add this. The average person probably doesn't care, but now that we're growing food, I almost guarantee they're using fertilizers or chemicals or pesticides, and that stuff's just getting washed off. It's going onto the roads, it's going onto the tires, it's getting transferred wherever. Like, what do you think about that just randomly ripping, and who should be responsible for something like that? And how do we make it better within the community? Also, do you want to see food forests? We're in Manatee County. We want to start building out food forest systems all over because we've been in such a scarcity devoid mindset where nobody is growing food. I'm driving through here seeing all this landscape. It's kind of just worthless. People don't even know what it is. They think it looks tropical because they moved to Florida and they just spray the hell out of it. So what if we made that productive? What if Bradenton, or a lot of Florida, there used to be citrus and the citrus industry is dead because of citrus greening and various diseases. What if we showed and highlighted what we can actually grow in Florida, which is almost everything. All the tropical fruits that you see everywhere. If you ever go to the grocery store and you see something, you're like, wow, that looks pretty cool. $8.99 a pound, $10 a pound, and it's 5 pounds. No thanks. We can grow all that stuff here. And then that's not even talking about the medicinal benefits of all these fruits that we don't have. So America might be the richest country in the world, but why are we piss poor in our health? And can we get some comments in here so we can get this to go viral so we can start growing food?